This is a whole wheat baguette. Crunch, what the French call a tradition. I don't put anything on my baguette. I think the taste and texture are just fine. It's dead simple. Trust me, I've done this a few times. Oh, now feel it coming. You need 4 things: flour, water, salt, and yeast, or my starter. Enough talk. Let's get busy. Alright, for these baguettes, we're gonna start really demi baguettes. We're gonna start with 1 and 2 quarter cups, so half a cup of flour, that's all that's in there. We're gonna put some salt, I don't know, maybe half a teaspoon in there. And then, before we add the starter, just make a bit of a well, and then splash some water in there. That's it. Grab the starter, this is ready to go. You know your starter is ready when it starts floating now. Oops, I've overwhelmed it, but anyways. When it's shaggy, don't waste any more time. You're done with the spoon, go in with your hands. And that's it. In less than a minute, we're done. Just cover that and leave it there overnight, and I'll grab it in the morning. So here we are. This is risen and fallen a bit, which tells me it's going to taste good, but it might not puff up as much. First thing you want to do is put this aside and get your pan ready. Put some flour down. And this is because your hands are going to get really floury, and we're going for speed here. Okay, come back this way. Flour the top, because it's going to be real sticky. Get that out of the way. And then just fold, make it stick on itself, fold again. Pinch these things shut. Let's just put that aside and just roll this. If there's too much flour on it, you won't be able to roll it. But that's literally it. I didn't have to roll it all that much. Okay, what do we do now? Bring that pan back. Put it in there. Oven is still warming, and we're going to let this rise a little bit. In fact, we'll do it right now. We won't let it rise anymore. You can. Put some of the remainder. Put that on there. And then I'm going to put some everything but the bagel seasoning on it. It'd be helpful if this was a bit wet. And then get your lamb ready. It's just a double-edged razor blade. And just 1, 2, 3 quick strokes, nice and deep. You can open them up if you want. Sometimes I actually turn this over and I go over them again, just get them nice and deep. And then into the oven at 450 at least, hotter the better, for about 12 minutes. 12-15 minutes will do it. Just leave that in there for 12 minutes. Alright, we're ready to pull this sucker out. Look at that. Look at that. Do not touch this. This is extremely hot. Always bake your baguettes hot. Turn the oven up full whack, as whatever your highest setting is. But we'll let this cool down, and let this cool down for a good 10 minutes. And there you have it. You made a baguette. You can mange the crouton if you wish, mais on est Canadien, and we're not up our own arse here. Get to it. God damn these fucking crumbs.